Arms workout at home for women. How to lose your flabby arms fast. Fat arms are annoying, and it's always the last thing to go when you're losing weight. As difficult as it is to lose those flabby arms, there are ways to make them go away. If you're serious about losing your flabby arms, we have some arm workouts that will help you do just that, and in a short amount of time. We have some effective arm workouts at home for women for you. The best thing about these workouts is that you don't need any specialized gym equipment to work out your arms at home. Here's a routine you can do for the most toned arms you've ever had. 1. Arm circles. Stand on the floor with your legs about shoulder width apart. Extend your arms forward with your palms facing down. Rotate your arms inward as if making small circles in the air with your fingers. Do this 15 times. Reverse the direction and make small circles outward. Do this 15 times. Then extend your arms to your sides with your palms facing down. Rotate your arms forward to make small circles. Do this 15 times. Reverse the direction and make small circles backwards. Do this 15 times. Repeat the entire routine doing large circles. 2. Triceps dips. Select a sturdy chair and sit on it. Slide your hips off the front and keep your hands gripping the edge of the seat. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground. Slowly bend your knees and elbows to lower your butt towards the ground. Then extend your elbows and straighten your legs to lift your body up. When you bend, make sure your elbows go straight back and not outward. Keep making yourself go up and down for 15 times. 3. Plank jacks. On a mat, hold up your body with your arms straightened out, palms flat on the ground, and your toes touching the mat. Make sure your arms are extended right below your shoulders. Jump your feet out for a wide stance. Jump your feet back on for a narrow stance. Keep jumping your feet in and out, as if doing jumping jacks on the ground 20 times. 4. Push-up and rotation. On a mat, start in a push-up position with your arms straightened out and your palms flat on the ground. Lower yourself and push yourself back up as if doing a regular push-up. At the peak of your movement, extend your right arm to your side and twist your entire torso so your right arm is facing the ceiling and your body is held up by your feet and left arm. Return to the push-up position. Do another push-up and repeat the twist for the left side before returning to the starting position. Keep doing this for alternate sides 8 times. 5. Plank ups. On a mat, position yourself as if doing a plank. Your body should be held up by your forearms and toes. Then shift your right forearm to straighten your arm and place your right hand where your elbows were. Do the same for the left forearm. Shift your right palm back so that your forearms are supporting you again. Do the same for the left forearm. Shift between forearms and palms 8 times. How to lose your flabby arms fast is a matter of perseverance and consistency. Doing this arms workout at home for women won't be easy at first, but just keep doing it, and you'll see results soon enough. As you get stronger, you'll be able to do more repetitions. Always challenge yourself to make the most out of your workouts and never have to contend with flabby arms again. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.